In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell digital products with license keys on Gumroad. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. Selling digital products can be a lucrative opportunity, especially if you know how to manage license keys effectively. License keys are often used to protect your digital content and ensure that only authorized users can access it, and Gumroad is a fantastic platform for this. So let's walk through the process step by step. First off, you'll want to open up Gumroad and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to sign up. It's pretty straightforward. Once you're logged in, you'll notice a menu on the left side of the dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Now, go ahead and click on the For Trade Products tab on that menu. This will take you to a section where you can manage all your products. To add a new product, click on the New Product button. It's usually easy to find and should be brightly colored so you won't miss it. When the new product window opens up, you'll be prompted to give your product a name. This is where you'll want to use a name that is catchy yet descriptive. Think about what your potential customers would be searching for. After you've named your product, the next step is to designate it as a digital product. You'll find an option labeled Digital Product. Make sure to select that. Next, you'll need to set the price for your product. Enter the amount you feel it's worth. Remember, setting the right price can make all the difference, so think about your target audience and what they might be willing to pay. Also, don't forget to select the currency in which you'll be charging for your product. This is important as it will directly affect your customers based on where they are located. Once you have everything filled out, click Next to move on to customization. This is your opportunity to make your listing attractive and informative. Start by adding a description of your product. Be clear and concise about what the product is and what value it brings. If you can, add a bit of flair to really engage potential buyers. After the description, it's time to upload some visuals, namely a thumbnail and a cover image. Good visuals can significantly increase the likelihood of someone purchasing your product, so make sure these images are high quality and represent your product well. Once you have added the description and visuals, you will click Save and Continue. This should take you to a new screen that shows you various options related to your product. Now, here's where it gets interesting. You're going to incorporate license keys. Look for the option that says Insert on the new screen, and if you click that, you should see a prompt related to licenses. Click on License, and you'll get a prompt where you can generate or enter your license keys. If you don't have any license keys pre-prepared, you might need to set those up separately through a license key generator or some other service. Once you have your license key, simply copy it and paste it into the designated area on Gumroad. And just like that, you're almost done. Make sure everything looks correct and checks the details one more time. This is important to catch any last-minute mistakes. Now that you're satisfied with your product listing, hit the Publish button to make your digital product live. Congratulations! You are now selling digital products with license keys on Gumroad. You can share the link to your product on social media, send it to your email list, or even promote it through various channels where your target audience hangs out. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more guides like this. Happy selling on Gumroad!